Hello and welcome. My name is Vriendt and today we're going to talk about how companies can improve their spare parts planning using SAP IBP for MRO. We have today with us Thomas Castelijn, part of the Flexso supply chain team. Welcome, Thomas.
Thank you.
Maybe to start off, can you tell us what SAP IBP MRO is all about?
IBP for MRO is a IBP module that combines functionality from other IBP modules into a tool to balance supply and demand for maintenance spare parts and resources.
Okay. Can you maybe describe some target environments for SAP IBP for maintenance, repair, operations?
In general, organizations that have to deal with complex spare part portfolios, also those who want to improve their ability to predict the demand for spare parts and also seek to rationalize their stock policies.
All right. And can you maybe explain some of the key functionalities in the solution?
Yeah, some key functionalities are the quantitative methods available for forecasting and multi-location stock optimization, the supply planning algorithms that are available, the scenario analysis that can be performed. Those are some key functionalities available.
Great, thank you. And you talked about different modules that are combined. Can you maybe give some examples of that way of working?
Yes, IBP for demand, that part is used to perform the forecasting. IBP for inventory, it performed the stock optimization. And IBP for S&OP creates supply plans, and it combines it with specific MRO functionality like taking into account criticality of parts into the ABC segmentation.
Okay, so it's using IBP functionalities but with a kind of MRO sauce on top of it, meaning specific kind of data model, master data model, and specific operators, let's say, in different modules to,
yes.
to plan, basically.
Tailored to the practice of MRO world.
Yeah. Okay. And do you also have some specific visualization and analytics capabilities?
Yes, we have embedded SAC available in IBP, so SAP Analytics Cloud, and the IBP specific planning workspace is available, all with pre-configured content that can be modified, tailored to the user's need.
Yeah. Okay. Now, MRO, as you said, it's part of IBP, meaning it's a separate cloud solution, separate cloud environment. How does this position then against S4, for example? How do you position that in the landscape?
Yeah, from one perspective, S4 is transactional, where IBP is an advanced planning tool. From the other perspective, IBP takes transactional and master data from S4 and feeds back supply plans to S4.
Okay, very clear. Thank you for these insights. And I think it's clear that with MRO, we can give companies a kind of a way to improve their stock for the spare parts and improve their overall supply chain performance, basically. So thank you very much for these insights, Thomas.
Yes, thank you.